Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Perfect Image Creator review. So this is my Perfect Image Creator review and this product is going live on the 12th of February at 10 a.m. New York time. And now trust me when I tell you this is an epic product. Well, what's also very interesting that Alessandro Zamboni and the Rhodes brothers, so Matthew and John Rhodes, joined the forces, okay, and put this beast into action, spoke this beast into existence. Perfect Image Creator. Quite an ingenious product, really, because, it's pretty much one perfect prompt. Yeah, we know prompts. Prompts hold the power. The key to AI, to using the AI, well, effectively, I guess effectively is the word, and squeezing AI like a lemon. So you need to feed it the right prompt. So this Perfect Image Creator, guys, is the perfect prompt formula that you can change up, play around with how you wish, and it will sort of, I am using very casual terms, obviously, because I want to put it in simple terms, right? But it's going to generate all kinds of insanely stunning, professional looking images that, it's gonna blow your socks off. So let's go and let me show you all I've got here for you. And obviously I have the members area. I've got the product. I've checked everything out today, all day. I've got some splendid bonuses also for those who decide this is the product for them after having watched my fantastico review. I'm getting too Italian. And yeah, I love Alessandro Zamboni, by the way. Such a cool vendor, one of my top vendors. That, his support is just through the roof. He's such a good guy as well. So I've got some bonuses for you guys if you decide to pick it up via the link below my review in the description box below. You know the drill. Okay, why am I repeating myself? All right, let's get to it. So this is Matthew Rhodes Warrior Plus profile. Let me show you what vendors I am talking about here. Obviously we know Alessandro Zamboni, he's got a very good score on Warrior Plus, but these are the guys, as you can see, almost 4 stars. The thing is that the more they have created so many products, and obviously the more products you create, the more sort of it would change the score. So maybe some of the products they put together in the past got full, 4 stars, some of them 4.5, there was some that got 3, so that is the average. So I would say, close to 4 stars, decent, what can I say, good quality vendors, I would say. Now, let me also remind you again, so it goes live on the 12th of February, okay, that's Pacific time, 7 a.m. Pacific time, but 10 a.m. New York time, EST would be, 10 a.m. New York time. I know that in London is always 3 p.m. Okay, so guys, what I have for you also, the bonuses, which I'll discuss later. As you can see, I went quite nuts with the bonuses, and I will go so hand in hand with the product that you will be just, shocked. Okay, now I have so many tabs open here that I don't really know where to start. I guess I should really start with the product, or before that I'll show you the sales page, which is pretty cool, very well written. It was apparently written by Alessandro Zamboni, so I am not surprised because he really knows how to, write a good sales copy. It was only a week or 2 weeks ago that he launched his Copy Empire, I believe. Copywriting Empire product, which is all about creating compelling compelling, convincing sales copy. He knows his job. Trust me, he knows his art. Alessandro Zamboni, that is. Okay, so front end $17, and they say how to create perfect images with AI, and then turn them into mini money machines for you. This is what this product is all about. So not only will it show you how to create perfect images using AI, but they also over-delivered with bonuses when it comes to selling those images. Okay, so it's like full house, everything that you need. And yeah, here they made some suggestions on where you can sell them, obviously on Etsy, Fiverr, Upwork. That's why it's like all of the bonuses, guys, I pick up here for you will so complement this product. Pause the video and check out the bonuses, but I'm telling you, they will fit like a glove, as they say. So here what they say, like, this is the beauty. We have this ingenious tool called AI, right? But do we know how to use it? That's the thing, most people, it is supposed to speed up the work, but for most people who approach AI from a place of ignorance and lacking the right skill will simply end up feeling frustrated, okay? Because the product the AI would produce for them is below average, is not good enough. Why? Because the prompt is not good enough. Simple answer, okay? So guys, check out the sales page, okay? And these are the examples of the images you will create. Now, check this out, okay? They say somewhere on the sales page that even, recently, this AI-generated image won some kind of competition. You see, an AI-generated picture won an art prize. Artists aren't happy. Well, because the quality of it was so good that, people thought it was real. I mean, real, created by a person, not AI, a human being. But check out these pictures. Are they not stunning? Yeah, so that's what you will be able to create with this super prompt. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the product right now, and on top of that you will get all of these bonuses, which I'll get to the bonuses from inside of the members area. So the product will be delivered to you like in a file via Mediafire. Okay, that's where it's hosted, right? That's how it's delivered to you. So you'll just need to click here to download, and I did download it. I've got it here, so let me open it up for you. So there you go. So this is the product, guys, delivered in a Word format, Microsoft Word, and also in simple, I'll show it to you now, in simple. Obviously it is gonna be all blurred because that's the prompt, okay? That's the prompt, and you just change up the keywords, and it's gonna do the job, a fantastic job, and you will create the kind of images, the quality of the images you've seen on the sales page. Pretty insane, okay? So what is it called? Notepad. Yeah, Notepad. Yeah, good job, Sylvia. Oh, forgive me, it's quite late here. Anyhow, you'll also get it in Word format, and as you can see, here they say copy and paste everything below into ChatGPT. So below, obviously this is gonna be blurred as well, guys, because that's the product, okay? But you will just change up the user keyword phrase. So this keyword phrase will describe the image you want. So what this prompt they give you here will do is going to give a command to ChatGPT to create phenomenal prompt that you would then take, or instructions that you would then copy and paste from ChatGPT into either Midjourney, or you can use, we know Midjourney is around $10 a month. If you don't want to pay for it, with the bonuses, they cover a lot of free AI image generating tools as well. So it does not have to be Midjourney. But my point was that provided that you use that, you put that prompt into ChatGPT, then, you know, ChatGPT would give you the answer to your prayers. Okay, would give you the prompt that you then take, copy and paste, and put it into image generating tool, whatever tool you use, be it Midjourney. Okay, and that's how it works. And guys, this ingenious prompt, it is like so fantastically crafted. I mean, the wording is out of this world, trust me. And because of that, because of the quality of this prompt, I am not surprised that the images come out just phenomenal. Okay, so that's the product, guys. But then also you get insane bonuses. Okay, 5 bonuses, and I'm gonna show them to you right now. So on top of just the front end, you're getting, guys, this bonus. This is it's 16 pages long. The perfect image creator bonus report. So this is case studies, and they will show you the kind of prompts they use and the kinds of images they were and how they were able to generate those images. So this is the case study bonus. Then how to produce amazing AI images with Midjourney, 30 pages long bonus. It's just a guidance on, obviously, you know, Midjourney, and maybe not obviously, but it is accessible via Discord. Okay, so you'll need to open the Discord account, and then you will find Midjourney. But they just walk you through how you can do it. Obviously, with Midjourney, you will get 4 images, and then you will be able to upscale them as well. You give to the Midjourney bot 1 prompt, you know, imagine / blah blah blah. Okay, it's going to give you 4 variations, and this is variation 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this U1, 2, 3, 4 means upscale. So if you choose this one is the best, and you click on U3, and it's going to upscale it, so make it sharper, better looking. Okay, so that's the bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, guys, is how to generate AI images for free. And I don't know if you knew that now there is this Bing, like, you know, like OpenAI has DALL-E for generating images, then we also have Bing Image Creator, which sort of follows the same quality that you would get from the cut-edge DALL-E model from OpenAI, right? And it is free, guys, and they also give you different options of different free image generators. Now, in bonus number 4, you will get the how to make money with them. So the art of freelancing, how to get paid for your images on Upwork, 16 pages PDF. Okay, so from setting up the account on like how to do it the right way and make money with it. And then there is another bonus, number 5, on top of just the front end again, which is all to do with Fiverr. How to make money by selling AI generated images on Fiverr. Again, the whole process is covered from setting up the account to actually making sales. Right, guys, so that's the product, right? And here we have the upsells, the funnel. So the front end is $17, and it includes all the 5 hot bonuses I have just shown you. Okay, OTO number 1 is $27. It's a 10-part video series, including an exclusive downloadable script with free prompts for creating images with Midjourney, buying and selling prompts on multiple platforms, and much more. Okay, that's another sort of income, buying and selling prompts. That's interesting. OTO number 2. Now the prompts are the thing, right? So yeah, I mean, there's products over and over again launching all the time, which are just prompts. Okay, OTO number 2, 37. A hot 3-part outsourcing with AI masterclass. It's a masterclass on how to outsource with AI. That shows exactly how and what and how we outsource, plus use AI to 100 times our outputs for faster launches and cash. OTO number 3, $33. An advanced system that provides direct access to our process for building best-selling prompts, exactly like Perfect Human Writer, Perfect Image Creator, selling for free payments of $33. So there will be 3 installments. Okay, so $33 for 3 months. Okay, sounds good as well. Cool, so that's the funnel. Pretty much, I would say, congruent with the front offer. Now, I'm just thinking, is there anything else I haven't covered? Now, as for my bonuses, as you can see, I give you all of them are PLR products as well, guys. Okay, you will be so well off with these bonuses. So how to sell creations on Etsy, perfect marketplace to sell images. Okay. And also how to create and edit professional images for free with Canva in case you wanted to do that. How to produce amazing images with Midjourney. And this is not just PDF, but it's in audio, it's in video format and all of that. And how to rapidly build easy money machines with AI images. As you can see, they go hand in hand with the product. So guys, if that's something you want to buy, you can by all means grab it via the link below. My review is $17 is the front end price. And yeah, that would be cool. If you got it via the link below my review, that would make my day, if not the whole week. No, I would be very grateful, of course. All right, ciao, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.